order to ensure that the enterprise is able to operate today, we put together this Can I Fight Tonight dashboard. I am the director of the NC3 Enterprise Center, that's Nuclear Command, Control, and Communications Enterprise Center. The center is here at STRATCOM. This system helps provide that level of detailed understanding of all the data as we collect it in a way that you can actually help answer that question, can I fight tonight? But to actually measure it and to know it in something close to real time has frankly never been doable without this kind of data and analytics. We have a huge data challenge, and that's where Kana Systems comes into play.
Picture this. A commander asks, what is the state of our system? In order to get this information, it takes 5 people multiple weeks to gather all of this information manually, put it into a spreadsheet. By the time that information is accumulated, filtered, etc., it is out of date. We're dealing with highly classified, very sensitive information. So we were asked to come in and help to modernize this process, and we did that, and we developed the Kana Systems Actionable Analytics Tool. It takes messy, unstructured data. We transform that data then into usable information. That usable information then creates better decision-making tools. We have narrowed that all the way down to one person, 30 minutes, using this tool. Monty Hoskinson is a retired Army veteran, our technical point of contact, and helped shepherd us through the beginning stages as a brand new SBIR company.
If this technology didn't exist or we didn't have it, we'd be behind. I would think that not having this system or systems like it, we'd still be using legacy systems, which is not good. We need to start being up to date and competing with the rest of the world.
My involvement with Kana Systems began actually with conversations with STRATCOM, centered around a need that they had. So I had actually reached out and recruited a number of companies to go after applying to the AFWERX Open SBIR topic, and Kana Systems was one of those companies that I went out and recruited. You know, I work with dozens of different companies across the ecosystem, and I truly believe that the #1 option for them on how best to work with the federal government is the AFWERX Open Topic SBIR program. Kana Systems hit a home run with what they've been able to do and accomplish with STRATCOM, but they are one of many successful small businesses that are just doing amazing things for the department. And it's honestly, in my opinion, the #1 opportunity for a small business to get their foot in the door.
USSTRATCOM and the Nuclear Enterprise Center has been wildly rewarding, both from a personal level and a professional level. As one of our customers said, it is a simple technology, but it is a game changer, which allows us to generate great value for the government and for the warfighter.